guys, it's Ria back with another video. Today's video is going to be a install video on how I install this wig. So if you guys would like to watch this video and see how I style this look, stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get into the video. So I already did my little, my little bald cap method or whatever. I got this wig cap from my local beauty supply, and the concealer that I use, if you guys watch my review on this wig, on this blonde wig, Outre Kimani, I'll link it, but I mentioned the concealer that I use. It's the Ruby Kisses concealer for me to conceal my little bald. But first, I am going to go ahead and use my Got To Be glue, and I'm just gonna put it around the circumference of my head. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have it like that. So I'm just gonna let this dry for one layer, and then I'm gonna do another or probably two more, and then I'll come back. We back and we back and we back and we back and we back. So I went ahead, excuse my fan guys, if I hope that is not messing up this video. I'm gonna be so pissed, but yeah, excuse my fan. So now I'm just going to apply the wig. Again, if you guys haven't seen the initial review to this wig, make sure you guys go and watch it. I will definitely link it in the description box, or have a little link up on the video. And you guys, I had to clean this lace a little bit, and I think I did pretty good. I ain't had no alcohol, so next best thing was nail polish remover, and I think it did a really good job. But now we about to install the wig. I'm gonna need a little mirror, so if you see me like looking down or looking off to the side, it's because I'm looking at this mirror here. So that's what we gonna do. Azoo, azoo, zoo, zoo, azoo, zoo, zoo. This is still in focus. Fall it. Okay, alright you guys, so I'm just gonna take my hot comb, I put it on the lowest setting, and I'm gonna kind of just like flatten it down a little bit. I'm just gonna take this. Like I said, y'all, this wig definitely tangles. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my initial install, how I installed this wig. Let me know what you guys think or what I should improve on. A beginner at this. I'm just kind of learning as I'm going, so let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.